Well, business dissolution is effectively winding up, wrapping up, and concluding the business. So, for example, what frequently arises in our firm, in my practice, is following the sale of a business. Maybe we have the remaining business entity, an LLC. So, client now has this active LLC that has nothing in it. The business has been sold. That was owned by the LLC. So now what we need to do is effectively dissolve this business. So seemingly easy to do so with the Secretary of State, but ending the affairs of a business is not like turning off a light switch. So we can't just flip a switch and say, hey, we're dissolved, done with that, on to the next. For example, there's potential third-party creditors, there's liabilities, there's risks that are associated with your business. So if we dissolve the LLC, we might be at risk of attaching liability to the person, because now we don't have the shield of protection, the limited liability that was in place with the LLC. So it's very important to seek counsel before dissolving the LLC. Another thing about terminating, ending, winding up the dissolution of an LLC is that we don't want to recycle and reuse that LLC. So instead of reusing this LLC that formerly had a car dealership for a tanning salon, now what we want to do is just start a new LLC for the subsequent business. We're going to satisfy all our debts and obligations and then officially dissolve the former LLC. We're going to start a new LLC for this new business, completely separate name, completely separate everything, and then there's no overlap because we're always trying to put ourselves in a position to succeed and control risk, the two goals simultaneously.